Okay, so this is your product. Okay, door panel product. Okay, we have not added all parts in this product. Okay, but if you open this DP students, DP means door panel for student. Okay, so this is your actual part. Okay, this is your actual part means already manufactured part, approved part. Okay, so what is your task? This part will be for your reference. And so how we will receive this style? This is your style. If you check the third part, this is your style, and this is your fabric. Here you can see the fabric. Okay, so what is your job? First job is, once you receive this style, you have to, from this style you have to make this part, the blue part. Here you can see. So these are the these are the fixations for the clips. These are the screw bosses. First, your first task will be to create a presentation. In presentation, you have to mention, you have to take section by section, and you have to mention, so what is the height of the welding boss, screw bosses, what is the diameter, which type of screw we will need, M6, M4, M8, height of the welding boss. Okay, then after that you will have to define where should be the lifter direction. In presentation you will mention all this thing, you will cross check each and everything, then you will define, first will be the origin and the mtd. First you will have to check, once you receive the file you will have to check whether this style is okay with mtd, yes or no. You will have to check this style with mtd, is it okay or not. So how to check? Just we will go one by one. Whatever you will design for this product, this will be a single product, and whatever you will design, it will be on product position, not, see, everyone knows what is product position and design position. Anyone knows what is product position? Ganesh, what is product position?
Where the product is assembled.
Yes, where our part is assembled, we call it as product position. Good, Subhajit. Okay, so see, what do you think? um okay, here you can see one switch, simple switch, any simple. Okay, let's do one thing. Can you see this regulator? It may be for volume control, it may be for AC control. Okay, I think this is a AC. This is the music system, I think so, and this is AC control. Okay, climate control, and this is temperature controller. Okay, so what do you think if you check from backside? Is it a design part or it is a buy part? What do you think? This is AC control. This unit is AC control. What do you think? It is a buy part or design part?
By person.
See, this is completely interview question. Okay, anyone will ask you this question: is it a buy part or design part? It is a buy part. Okay, you will have one vendor. Let's say this is a BMW IP dashboard. They have some vendors, suppliers for AC controller. They will provide one unit. It will be a product of temperature controller with switches from front side. Okay, now tell me, suppose the vendor name is XYZ. The vendor name is XYZ. Tell me on which position they will design this box complete assembly. assembly means of what? The AC controller with temperature control with a small display for temperature and some buttons for the mode. So tell me, this is a box. So will they design on the product position or 00 position? What do you think? Vendor. Yes, quickly.
Product position.
The product position.
Okay. You need some screw. You need some screw now to fix this. Okay. You will need one screw over here. You will need one screw over here. Tell me, will you design the screw or will you take it from vendor?
We take it from vendor.
From vendor. Okay. So you are going to screw from back side because it should not be visible from front side. Okay. This is your product and these are your parts. Okay. And this is your, from these parts, this is your XYZ part. XYZ means your AC unit. Now suppose this your green part is your first part, this one. Then here you can see bezel. This is your second. Then here you can see one pink part and this is your green part. Again one additional, the bigger one, green part. So what do you think? This is a product and these are your parts. Part 1, part 2, part 3, or let's say part 3 or 4, part 4, part 5 and part 6. Okay, so tell me, will you design this, will you design your part 1, 2, 4, 5, 6 on product position or you will design this on 00 position? What do you think? Which will be easy for you? Which will be easy for you? The product position will be easy or 000 coordinate will be easy?
000 coordinate.
Okay, Chidmay, Ashok, Ganesh, Sachin, Jayant, Raja, others.
00, sir.
Okay, 00. I think you are getting confused. You are not getting my question.
Sir, hello.
So, what is product position and so what is 00? Yes, Ashok. Yes,
What do you mean by product position and design
yes,
position?
yes.
Then
I'm
I will,
just
we are
explaining.
give. Okay.
Just see. This is a file shared by Raja. Okay. File, new, product. Say OK. Vertical. Copy this. Paste. Again, I will put one product part over here and say OK. Now I think you're getting. Remember, we discussed this point. What is the use of absolute access system?
Yes, sir.
Remember,
Yes, sir.
while
Yes, sir.
discussing our H point, I think we also have the screenshot of H point, R point, and the absolute access system. I think we discussed this point just few days ago. Um, This one. Just a minute.
Sir, this is in data share, sir.
No, I want to
Uh,
screenshot.
this screenshots in data share for
Data.
yes, yes, yes.
Why? It is in this one.
Last time I
Okay,
yes,
okay,
yes.
okay. Yeah, yeah, yes, yes, yes. Sorry, sorry. So by mistake, I shared in data sharing group. Okay, you got it. What is absolute access system? Here, can you see 000? Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So where is this access system? Can you see 000? Take top view. Are you getting what is 000 now? So how can you say that it is 000? Take the measurement tool. This one. Any geometry. Select this point. What is the coordinate? 000. So if I create a point over here and here, this will be my H point, yes or no? R point, H point. Okay. Yes. Now tell me, suppose this is my H point and I want to design my seat of car. This is cushion, this is backrest, and this is headrest again. Tell me, should I design, uh, sorry, this is my backrest and this is my headrest. Should I design this seat on this position or this position? Tell me. Where will you design your product or any part? On the product position. See, this is product position and this is 0 0. Anyhow, so what is product position again? Can you see what is this? This is our product. In product, what we have in product, we have this all parts and this is extra part. Now suppose in this part I want to design my car seat. So should I design in this position, this cushion, this backrest, then this headrest? Then should I move this seat from this point to this point, or shall I design on this position directly? What do you think?
Sir, upper position.
Product position.
Product position.
Got it? What is product position? The white one is the product position. Everyone, are you getting what is product position and what is 0 0 0?
Yes, sir.
So this is
Yes,
zero
sir.
zero zero. Okay. Which will be easy for you? Means will you design on 0 0 0 and will you take this seat on this position, or will you directly design this one over here? Which will be easy?
So direct product position.
Direct product position. Okay. So it will be applicable for all part. This one, this one, this one. Are you getting yes or no? But
Yes.
suppose if you are receiving one AC vent not means sorry, the AC unit like this. Okay, this will be display again, and some mode button. Okay, so you got this unit. So will it be on, what will the position of this one? You are getting this from vendor. Yes or no? You are getting this box and you want to install this box in your car. You have to consider the dimension of this box and the screwing position. Suppose here is the screw position. So you will have to consider this. So will it be on this product position or will it be on any position? What do you think? Tell me your vendor have these information. Okay, sir, here is our here will be the position of the AC controller. So please provide me the AC controller on this position. Do they have this information, or will they
No, sir.
provide, a 3D of your their AC vent, sorry, AC controller, and you will position this complete 3D in your product. Yes, Ashok.
Sir, this product design at 0, 0 positions means
It can be, huh?
the design position at, and then we can directly install on particular location.
Yes. So it is not mandatory that if you, okay, see, every time you will receive 3D of all components. It may be screw, washer, AC controller, music system, handle, locking latch, springs, torsion spring, each and everything you will receive 3D. Okay. That 3D, it is not mandatory that that 3D, if you open this file and you just copy paste this product, uh see, this will be sub assembly, yes or no? This will be a sub assembly for
Yes,
you.
sir.
So why it is sub assembly? Because it will be assembly of controller, buttons, display, screw, electronic circuit, wires, connector. It will be a sub assembly for you. Okay, means it will be a small product for you. You will take this product, you will just copy paste in your product. This is your working product. Okay, this is your working product. You will just copy paste this product in your main product, main working product. Okay, let's say main working product. So suppose on this green part Subhajit is working, on this part Sachin is working, on this part Raja is working, on this part Ganesh is working. And suppose, let's say, I am as a team lead, what I will do, I will take your parts from your location. What I will say, okay, Sachin has shared, Sachin, Ganesh, Raja has shared his part, their part. Okay, Ashok, please share your 3D also. I will call all 3Ds in one product. I will first lock this position. Okay, if I copy paste this unit in my working product, it will be anywhere. It can be over here, it can be anywhere like this. Then I will just use, okay, for you guys, we have not covered the snapping. Okay, you don't know the snapping, so I will just snap this unit in proper position. Then I will check and I will lock this position. Okay, once I position this controller, I will lock this position like this. Okay, this position is locked. So suppose Shweta is working on this part, I will tell Shweta, okay Shweta, you have to modify your part and your part should be okay for the assembly of this unit. I will collect all product under one. I will collect all part under one product like this. One, two, three. This is my product. This is part from Raja, Sachin, Ashok, Ganesh, and this will be from Shweta. So while means suppose Shweta is working on this part where we are going to assemble this AC unit, Shweta will have to take care. Okay, her responsibility is this sub assembly should be okay. Means this product should be easy and okay for the assembly within her part. Are you getting, yes or no? So tell me, when I copy paste your all parts, this is from Raja, Sachin, Ganesh, Akash, Ashok. This is from Shweta. So once I copy paste your all parts, all 3D in my product, it should be on like this. It should be on the product position, or it should be on like this. Such if I paste the product from Raja, it will be something here, and this is a product. This is a 3D from Sachin, and this is from Ashok. This is from Ganesh. Then I will position. Then I will position properly like this. Should I follow this step, or should you design on this position only directly? What do you think? Will you design as per your position, or will you design as per product position? What do you think? This is product position. What do you think?
So design as per product position.
Are you getting now what is product position? Now the basic question is what is top to bottom and bottom to up assembly? Do you know the basic question? What is top to bottom, bottom to up? This we call it as top to bottom. Yes. Simple example. For example, this is your DP product, door panel product. Here we have fabric, and this will be your final part after closed volume, after B-side feature. Now, what is your job? Your job is to open this file. What is this? Again, this is a clip to fix your plastic door panel on BIW. Tell me, this is your design part or this is the part from vendor? What do you think? Will you design this part? Will you manufacture by your own? Or will you take this part from the vendor, the supplier? Is it a standard part? Yes, no, quickly.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
probably
This is
from vendor.
standard.
Sorry, Subhajit.
Sir, probably from vendor.
You will take this from vendor, correct? Now let's copy this, copy, and this is my design product. Okay, just paste. Tell me, are you getting your are you getting this clip on proper position? Yes or no? Is it a proper position?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. See, why it is not on proper position? Because this is a part from vendors. These are the standard parts. So most of the time, nearly 99% you will not, it will not be on the standard position. Tell me, do your vendor have this information? Okay, let's say Chinmay is our vendor, and does Chinmay knows where you are going to fix this clip in your plastic part? Now I want to position this on this circle 1, 2, and 3. So tell me, is it mandatory that Chinmay as our vendor should design this part with respect to this 3D? No, sir, it is a standard part. I have the standard part. Now it is your responsibility as a designer. Take my part and just position as per your requirement. So how to position? Go to assembly design. We will cover this later. Okay, how to position? Take the snap command. Where is the snap command? This one. Select this and select the circle. Okay, the circle is not a perfect circle. That's why I'm not getting the axis system. The axis. Again, same thing. Okay. So why you are not getting the axis of the circle? Because they have applied draft. That's why. So I will have to find out the axis. If I double click on this one, let me show you how I will position the standard parts. Okay, again I'm not getting a proper center. No issue. Do we have in hide and show? Nothing. Okay, we will discuss this later, or maybe what I can do tentatively, I can use manipulation Z, take upside, Y, move like this, click on Y again, Y. Now let's move it on X. Now Z. Are you getting yes or no? So it should be, just a minute, do we have another part again? Fabric, structure, clip, this also. Again we have one part. See. Again copy this, copy, paste this one. Again tell me, we have two parts. This is a part, again this is a second part. Tell me, suppose Chinmay is a vendor, He will provide us a sub assembly of this part with this part. Agree or not? Now it's your responsibility to take the standard part and position it as per your requirement. So the conclusion of complete discussion is your design should be on product position. We call it as top to bottom, means you will consider the environment part and then you will design your design. Then you will design your 3D. But if you receive any standard part from your vendor, it is not mandatory that sir it is not on the proper position. No, it is your responsibility to position this part as per your requirement. Clear? Yes, no?
ले लेंगे तो उसका मेन एक्सिस सिस्टम वो 0 0 ही रहेगा ना, जो मतलब
Okay. Okay. Good question.
प्रोडक्ट पोजीशन में जो लेते हैं ओके।
Good question. Um, let's do one thing. I'll have to do some. I will have to add some parts over here. What we'll do, we'll add multiple part components, part, enter. Again, right click, components, parts, enter. We have 5 parts. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is our main. So what I will do, this is my part 1. Let me show this one. Let's do one thing. Armrest, center graph. Copy this. This is my part 1. What I will do, I will just double click, right click, paste special as a result. Hide this one. Again show. Now let's say glow box. Right click, center graph. This is my glow box lead. Copy this one. Minimize. Just paste in part 3. Right click, activate, paste special as a result. Say OK. Hide this one. Now again show. Let's say IP. Or let's take this part. Double click, copy. Hide this one. Let's paste in part 4. Paste special as a result. Hide this one. Now let's take this yellow part on which Raja is working now. Double click, copy. Hide this. Paste special as a result. Okay. So we have taken armrest green this part. Again, I want one more part. This one. Double click, copy. Double click on the product. Right click, I want a new component part. Say OK. Double click on it. Paste special as a result. Okay. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's create a product. This is part 1 and I want this both part copy. Double click, right click on the product part, say yes, double click again, paste special as a result. Now the last part, okay, this one, copy, double click on the product, add a new part, okay, double click, paste special as a result. Okay, done. Now let me save this, save management, product 2. Let's rename this as complete IP with CC. Copy, okay, file, SEO management. Okay, shall I explain what is SEO management to everyone? I think some of you knows what is SEO management. See, we have one product. Inside this product, we have multiple part. So again, this is an interview question. So what is SEO management? SEO management means we have multiple files open in my catia. Here you can see DP student, then BIW metal structure clip, then this is a file shared by Raja. This is complete IP with CC, means my product, and this is structure plastic clip. Okay, so I don't want to save this all files, but I want to save my product. This is my product, and this all parts which are under my working product. This one IP with CC. So what I will do, I will say file save management. Here I will search for this product complete IP with CC. Can you see this one? Complete IP with CC. What is the extension? CAT product. So if I save this file, click on save as, back. I will just create one folder. I will provide the same name, complete IP with CC. Here you can see what I'm saving. I'm saving CAT product. Say save. Now if here you can see the path, we have saved our product in that folder. The folder name is this one. But tell me, did we save this all parts? Yes or no? Did we save all these parts till now?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
So if I click on propagate directory, if I click on this one, propagate directory, what will happen? Where you have saved the master product. This is our master product under which we have all multiple parts. We have saved this product in one folder. And if I click on propagate directory, the parts which are under this product will automatically direct to that folder. Can you see? The path is changed now. See part 1, complete IP with CC. Part 3, part 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now these all parts which are under this product are automatically directed to the same folder where we have saved our product. So click on propagate directory and click on OK. What is the pop-up? Sir, you are saving your product and this part, but you are not saving the other files which are open in your catia. No issue. I don't want to save that file. I just want to save my product and this part. Say OK. Done. See what is happening now. Go to folder. We have created one folder. Yes or no? Can you see? Complete IP with CC means instrument panel with central console. Double click. Are you getting one product? Can you see catia product? This is my product. See, this is my product with all parts in the same folder. Clear? Yes or no? Got it? What is the use of save management? Yes, no, any doubt? Chinmay, Ashok, Subhajit,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Jayant. Okay, so this is save management. Save your product and automatically if you click on the propagate directory, automatically the parts which are in your product will automatically save in the same folder. Okay, now so what we have, why we have created this part. Now on the first part, okay, on the armrest, Sachin is working now. On this part, okay, let's skip this part for now. On this part, let me change the color. On this part, Raja is working. On this part, someone is working. Let's say Ganesh is working. On this part, Jayant is working, white part. And this pink part, let's say Shweta is working. And the green part, Chinmay is working now. Okay. So suppose, Control S. So suppose if I take this part from all of you like this, open in a window. Vertical. Let me hide everything. I don't want this one. I okay, done with this product. Okay, I'm just closing this file. Door panel. Okay, now here you can see this is the this is first part. Okay, this is the second. Just a minute. Okay, now can you see all individual parts? Yes, is it visible? Raja is
Yes,
working
sir.
on this one, Sachin is working on this one, Ganesh is working on this one, Chinmay and Shweta. Okay, so now what I will do, sir, if I am working on this part, suppose Raja is working on this part, so will he directly focus on this part or will he check with the environment part? Yes, Raja, you will have to check your environment part because after your part, this part we are going to assemble on this part. Let's say Ganesh or Akash is working on this part. So you will have to take care whether you are working properly or not. So how will you check? I will take a new product. This is my empty product now. What I will do, I will just copy your part, copy, and will just paste. Now I will, here I got one part from Raja. Now this part, let's say Sachin is working on this part. Let's say copy and paste in this product again. Sorry, right click, paste. Tell me, is it on proper position? Yes or no? Once I copy and paste your parts in my product, I'm getting on proper position, yes or no? And if you check, your absolute access system is common. See, if I select this part, it is highlighting. Hide this one and select this part. See, the absolute access system is common in both part, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So that is a
Yes, sir.
benefit if you design your part on product position, and even though if your position is perfect, if your design position is the product position, okay, and if I just copy paste your file in any product, I will get a proper product. See, again, Windows vertical. Let's copy, done with this one, done with this one. Let's take pink part, copy this, just paste. See, it will be on proper position. Can you see? Take the green part, copy and paste. See, take the bigger one, this one, copy, paste. Am I getting a proper product directly without any manipulation, without any snap? See, I'm getting a proper product just by copy paste. Now you got idea where should what should be your design position. Your design position should be a product position. Got it? Yes,
Yes,
Chinmay,
sir.
Subhajit, clear, all out clear, Ashok, Sachin Jain.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now this is perfect. See, in design industry, every time we will use product position word, design position word, H point, R point, absolute access system. So what is absolute access system, sir? This is absolute access system. 000. Even though if you add any empty part, you will get one absolute access system. Say yes. Select this part. See, this is an empty part. Hide everything. Can you see the absolute access system? So how it is 000? Just measure. See, 000. And again, if you check in this screenshot, we have discussed this topic. Absolute access system 000. So if you are designing any seat, you will design on the R point. Why R point or H point? Why? Because there will be some coordinate. which will define the seat position in your BIW. It will define the seat position. So there will be some coordinate. It will not be a 0, 0, 0. There will be some 300, 400, 500 mm in 1000 also. Okay, clear? Any doubt? Any doubt? General doubt? Any doubt?
पोजीशन में हम जो पार्ट डिजाइन करेंगे तो उसका इनिशियल पॉइंट रहेगा, वो पहले हम डिसाइड करेंगे एब्सोल्यूट एक्सिस सिस्टम से, 0 0
एब्सोल्यूट
से।
एक्सिस सिस्टम से रेफरेंस लेंगे, बराबर।
मतलब फर्स्ट इनिशियल पॉइंट, स्टार्ट पॉइंट रहेगा वो लेंगे, तो वो 0 0 जो अपना एब्सोल्यूट एक्सिस सिस्टम रहेगा वहां से लेंगे, स्टार्ट करेंगे। फिर
करेक्ट।
वो पोजीशन फिक्स हो जाएगा, जो हम फाइनली मतलब जो मेन असेंबली में लेंगे तब वो डायरेक्टली उधर बैठ जाएगा।
यस, करेक्ट।
यस, ओके।
ओके।
और सर जो वेंडर वेंडर से हम पार्ट पार्ट जो लेंगे तो उसको बॉटम अप कहते हैं क्या?
यस,
मतलब वो असेंबली करते हैं
यस,
उसको। ओके।
यस। सी,
ओके।
if you're receiving any part, first you will receive the 3D of that part.
ओके सर।
Okay, so it can be anywhere. You will have to just position that part. You can't do any
यस
modification in his part, correct?
यस
That will
यस
be a
सर।
standard part. He will not modify as per your requirement.
यस सर।
So you will have to modify your part as per that part.
ओके सर।
Just position and modify. Okay, any other doubts?
सेव
Yes,
मैनेजमेंट में अगर वो डायरेक्ट प्रोप्राइटरी जो ऑप्शन था वो
propagate
क्लिक नहीं किया
directory.
तो, हाँ तो वो मतलब अगर सारे पार्ट सेव नहीं
Okay.
करने हैं तो उसका
Mm-hmm.
मतलब समझ में नहीं आया वो
Okay, okay.
मतलब।
See, file, save management. Okay. Here you can
यस
see
सर।
what is our product name. Complete IP with CC. Let's check where is the product. Here you can see complete IP with CC dot cat product. So this is my product, and here you
यस
can
सर।
see multiple part in. Okay, sir, why the structure is different? It is not mandatory that the structure will be maintained over here. Just you will have to find out the name. That's it. Now, okay, your question is, sir, I want to save some file, but I don't want to save all files like this.
यस सर।
No, then in that case, you will
और
have to do it manually. Just select
ओके
one
सर।
by one. Here you can see part 2. So where is my part 2? Or let's say part
बट
1.
सर,
Here is my part 1. Click on this and click on save as. That's it. Save
but
one
sir,
by one.
main file is complete IP with ICC.
Huh.
Means in that file all bottoms are file, means one file we can, means main file we can save, then automatically bottom all files are
No, no,
same.
no, no. No. See, close this one. If suppose I had not done any modification. Suppose this is my part 2 or let's say part 3. If I select this part and say unhide. Now in this
Okay.
case, I have not changed any 3D. I just there are some changes in product. Tell me if you are showing any product or if you are hiding any product. For Katia, there are some changes in this product, yes or no? If you are hiding,
Okay.
let's say hide the armrest. Now I can say control S. See, it is saving. What I have said, I have said the product, not the file.
Okay, sir. Okay.
If I again, if I show the where is the armrest? This one. Now it is in show mode. I don't want this. For Katia, product is modified. Why? Because you have done some hide and show.
Okay.
You have hided some parts and you have just show some parts and say control S. So it is now saved. So what I'm saving, I'm saving the product, not the parts. Are you
Okay.
getting?
Yes, sir.
But suppose if you want to save the part, just double click on it. Let's do some modification. So how to do modification? Just hide this body, hide the part
Okay.
body. For Katia, part 1 is modified. So why it is modified? Because you have just hide this body.
Yes,
Now
sir.
you can say control S. What I'm saving, can
Okay.
you see? Part 1. See,
Yes, sir.
show
Yes, sir.
this one and say Control S. Can you see this part 1 proceed?
Okay.
Now I have saved part 1. I have not saved the product. Now double
Okay.
click on
Okay.
the product and say Control S. Done.
Yes,
Got
sir.
it? Product
Yes,
is
sir.
something different, part is something different. You can
Yes.
add multiple parts under one product.
Yes.
Any other doubt?
The vendor providing file other than .cat file. Is
Hmm.
there any issue in the compiling?
Means sorry, I'm not getting your question.
The vendor 3D फाइल प्रोवाइड करते हैं वो अदर
Hmm.
देन कैट फाइल रहेगा तो कंपाइलर में कुछ इश्यू आता है.
Yes, it should be in STL, step file, or CAT file.
The dimension also. The
Yes,
part where,
as per their 3D, we will have to set our dimension.
yes.
Yes, Subhajit. Yes.
Sir, if any part not fitting properly, how to understand is it fitting properly or not the fit?
We have to check once we finalize our design. Suppose yesterday Raja was working on this part. Now today again, if you are working on this part, but your both part are going to assemble on this yellow part, correct?
Yes,
So you will have to take this part in your product. You will have to add your updated part in that file. Again, add this part as updated file 3D, and then you will have to check whether is it okay or not. You will have to check which sections whether it is assembling or not. You will add some snap, you will add some clips for the fixation. In section study, you will have to check whether is it okay or not for assembly. Okay.
okay, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Fabric, here you can see fabric is glued on the plastic, and this is a plastic part. Okay. If we check on another end, where is the another end? This one. See, one like this one, and here they have used heat stack with welding boss. These are the welding bosses. Yes. So Raja, what was the question?
सर फिटिंग हो रहा है कि प्रॉपर नहीं हो रहा है बॉस के साथ वो क्लिप.
यस. जब हमने copy paste किए दो फाइल, when we copy paste this two part in our product, here you can see, if I select this one, can you see it is highlighting?
Yes, sir.
Hide this one, select the second, see planes are highlighting. So what is the use of this plane then? If you take double click on this map pocket, now this map pocket is activated. Take a point on 0 0 0, take a point, coordinate, make it 0, make it 0, make it 0, preview, say okay. Where is this point? Okay, you are getting one point in this position. Why? Because there is one axis system which is set as current. That's why. Okay. So then how to get a 0 0 absolute axis system? Your job will be just add a new part. Right click on the product. You want 0 0 axis system. Just right click on it. Go to components, add new part. Say yes. You got one axis system, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You got this one axis system. Just copy this. Right click, copy. Add this one. Double click on map pocket. Paste special as a result. Again, add this map pocket. Double click on this part. Lower subset. Double click on it. Activate it. Right click, paste special as a result. See, now hide your this last part. No use of that part now. Delete. You can delete it or you can just keep it hide. Now here you can see you have this part on which Ashok is working. On pink part Raja is working. Okay. Now your first job will be you will have to check your assembly direction. You will have to check your MTD. Okay. Now what Raja will do, let's hide this one. Raja will create one, Raja will create 2 points. Let's say 3 points. Point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. These points will be shared with, see, the coordinate of this point will be from this axis system, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Why? Because sir, this axis system is common in this part as well as this part. We call it as absolute axis system. 0, 0, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5-point coordinates will be shared with Ashok, means in this file, map pocket. Why? Because this 5-point will be common in this part as well as this part. So why it should be common? Because on the same point Raja will design the screw bosses, the welding bosses, and the same for the fixation purpose Ashok will design the flange with a small hole. Can you imagine? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Imagine हो रहा है? Correct. For each and every feature, we will use a new point and new axis system on that point. And the axis system orientation should be same like the feature. Correct. So suppose in future, suppose because of some space constraint, Raja is shifting his feature by let's say 15 mm. He will change the coordinate of that point. Correct, Raja? The
Yes, sir.
same by the same value, Ashok will also change the coordinate. So whenever if I take once you finish your 3D and if I call your parts in my product, automatically it will be in assembled position with proper screw boss and the flange position. The welding boss and the flange position means this one like this. See, 1 and 2. Sorry, are you getting? So
Yes, sir.
this 3 point will be common. 1, 2, 3. Now remember while designing locator, remember we discussed so many times that where should be your access system and the point. See, this is not a good design. Okay, why? Because these rib are not touching the lower face. Okay, again here I can see some clash, so it is not the updated one. Okay, so tell me one answer. If I take one section over here like this, where should be your point? The point which will be common in Ashok file and Raja file, where should be that point? Yes, Rahul, Prashant, Chinmay, Jayant.
Center of screw boss.
No,
Some
but
mating part for mating part.
what should be the perfect position of that point?
Sir, resting point.
Awesome. Resting. If I suppose this is the part what Ashok has designed, okay, and this is the screw boss. So screw boss will should be something like this, yes or no? Yes. So your point should be here. Yes or no? I think orange is not visible. Is it visible now?
Yes, sir.
It is
Yes.
visible, sir.
So this will be your point. Raja will keep one access system on this position. 1, 2, and 3. And same access system and the point should be used by Ashok. Should be used in Ashok design. Ashok 3D. Clear?
यहाँ पर एक डॉग हाउस है और उसके नीचे ही बॉस है, तो ऊपर
Where?
सर, ऊपर वाला, हाँ सर.
So this is
सर
not okay.
नॉट ओके ना सर.
Not okay. So in this case, what you can do? Okay. So you will face this problem most of the time in projects. Just a minute. In projects, most of the time you will face this issue. Okay. So is it okay or not? So how should we lift a run? Now Raja, tell me what should be your solution on this? Yes, Rahul, Prashant, Chinmay, Jayant, everyone, Sachin, Ashok, Ganesh.
सर नीचे तो बॉस नहीं रहेगा, डॉग हाउस
Okay,
अगर रहेगा तो बॉस नहीं रहेगा.
okay, then,
डॉगर्स को थोड़ा पीछे मूव कर सकते हैं सर.
okay, good. We can shift dog also over here a little bit. So what will the travel? Let's check what is the undercut from this. Sorry, cancel. This will be infinite. This will be a picking point. This is my infinite and picking point will be, let's say, this one. So this will be my undercut of 20 mm. Okay. Now let's take any point from this till this one. I have 60 mm. Okay. So this, I think this should be okay. If I shift my doghouse on this position, will it be okay? Yes or no? Yes. But again, will you
Yes,
shift
sir.
this doghouse directly or will you check with environment part? Anyhow, the clip what we have in our door panel product, same clip you are going to use over here. So you will have to check first where is the hole on the BIW. Yes or no, Prashant? Yes, Raja?
Yes, yes
Yes,
sir.
sir.
You will have to check. You can't shift the hole on the BIW. BIW is final one. So you will have one clip for the BIW fixation. So maybe in that case you can't shift this doghouse. Then you will have to find out some solution. Tell me, can you cancel this one? If I cancel this screw boss and if I redesign, if I change the coordinate and if I design over here, what is the issue? What is the issue?
No.
Sorry, what is the issue?
No, no
No
issue.
issue. And instead of this direction, if I change the orientation like this, what is the issue? Doggos will be something like this now. Circle will remain as it is. Any issue now? Lifter can travel till this one. See, this will be the lifter travel. Let's say. Any issue now? Yes, Raja.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Others? No. Simple solution. Prashant got it. Okay, everyone. Rahul, Sachin, Subhajit, Shweta, Shweta, are you getting yes or no? Sorry, Rahul, yes.
तो ब्लू वाला क्लिप है, इसके नीचे एक लोकेटर है ना, वहां से लिफ्ट ट्रैवल
This
कैसे
one,
होता है?
Rahul.
यस सर.
This is not locator. This is his tag, screw boss, welding boss. So as I mentioned, if I shift my blue feature, this feature over here, I will have to shift this welding boss also, yes or no?
Yes sir, yes sir, yes.
So we will cancel this everything. We will cancel this feature. We will cancel welding boss, and we will just rotate our doghouse like this. That's it. Done.
Yes sir, clear. Yes.
We will have to just check the travel. Again, one point, if you notice, cancel this one. If you notice, can you check, did you check the distribution of the fixation? Here you can see one clip is here, second clip is here, third clip is here. So your distribution of fixation should be like this, additional over here. Got it?
Yes sir.
Otherwise, if there is no fixation in this area, let's say we cancel this one. If there is no fixation in this area, there will be rattling noise. What is rattling noise? The vibration. This will be a cantilever. It will bend, or it will what we can say, vibrate. So you have, again, so who will decide? You will be responsible for this fixation. Again, you will have to use your logic, and you will have to decide where should be the fixation. Try to put it as away, means it should be away from each other, should be near the periphery. See, what do you think if I add fixation over here, and if I cancel this one, what will happen? If I cancel this one, what will happen? Okay, let me cancel this one. If I add this clip in this position, 1, 2, 3, 4, what will happen? What is the issue?
So in periphery there should be a little bit gap.
Awesome. Gap with what, Subhajit?
Gap with another part of BIW.
Perfect, perfect. Excellent. Perfect answer. Okay. Sir, if we shift our fixation, this clips in middle somewhere here, like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you see this wall? With this face, we have kept some clearance with our environment part, yes or no? It can be with BIW or some adjacent part. So if you shift this clip over here, this is a plastic part. It can bend, it can deflect, so you will not able to maintain the gap. Got it, everyone? Jayant, Ashok, Sachin, Raja, Prashant, Ganesh. Got it? So your distribution, your fixation should be on periphery. Sorry, Ganesh?
3 to 1 principle.
3 to 1 principle. Okay.
आंसर्स एंड लॉग हाउस लिफ्टर एंड अदर थिंग जो डिजाइन किए
Hmm.
और हमको ये डाटा ना सेकंड पर्सन को सेंड करना हो तो हाउ कैन वी शेयर द दिस पॉइंट के हमको यहीं सेकंड पार्ट में लिफ्टर को क्लैंप बनानी है उसके इक्विपमेंट के लिए तो सर ये बात
Hmm.
डिस्कस करते हैं हाउ कैन वी शेयर द पॉइंट डाटा सेट्स
Okay. So in that case, suppose as per our discussion, on yellow part Raja is working and blue part Ashok is working. First, what Raja will do, Raja will just check with the STO, and he will cross check whether can he add flange over here. Can Ashok add a flange over here or here. Let's say by mistake Raja has created 2.1 here and second is here, and this point coordinate will be shared with Ashok. You can share the coordinate, yes or no? Can you share the
Yes, sir.
coordinate? How will you share the coordinate? Let's say take a point, double click on the yellow part. Take a, let's say this is my first point. Where is the point? Yes, this is my second point. Okay, so what Raja will do? This is a simple method. Take the coordinate, take the screenshot, and just paste with, just share with Ashok. That's it. Done. What Ashok will do, just he will check the coordinate and he will create his own point. Anyhow, these points are created from this axis system, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that's it. See, even though if Ashok create some new points, maybe Ashok can highlight, okay, after once Raja finalizes this point, after a few days or maybe in next week, Raja noticed that, okay sir, I want to okay Ashok, I want to change this position because of this clip doghouse. So what I'm doing, I'm just changing the coordinate from this position to this position. So what Raja will do, just he will share the coordinate of new point. What Ashok will do, Ashok will create this feature. Ashok will create this feature on this point and axis system. If suppose Raja has changed this point from this position to this position, Ashok will only change the coordinate of this point. Automatically, the complete feature will get shifted to this position. Got it? What will fail? Only the failure will be in unit trim. That's it. Why? Because this surface is not same in this position. Are you getting? So he will have to rework on the union trim. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
yesterday का सर हुड ब्रैकेट का रिमास्टरिंग चाहिए था, वो रिकॉर्डिंग सेशन रिकॉर्ड।
Okay.